Press the bell icon from the YouTube app so that you never miss any of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning into this video. And after a long gap, I'm here with a new hair care video. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I use Shikakai powder on my hair. And this home remedy, I have been using it since a couple of years now, and honestly speaking, this has really helped my hair grow longer. So I thought of making this video and share with you all. And Shikakai is really beneficial for your hair. It is also called a hair fruit. Shikakai is also known as hair fruit. It has been used for centuries for maintaining the health of both scalp and hair. It is high in vitamin A, C, K and D along with other antioxidants that are important for hair growth. It contains micronutrients that boost hair growth and help you retain its beauty. Shikakai is really useful for shine, softness, fighting against dandruff and also for stronger and thicker hair. So to make this Shikakai hair pack, I'm using 5 tablespoons of Shikakai powder, and I'm using 5 tablespoons of Shikakai powder that is according to the length of my hair. You can use according to the length of your hair, you can use your one. And also you will need 5 tablespoons of neem leaf powder, and again I am using the according to the length of my hair. You can also use according to the length of your hair. So you have to take the equal amount of Shikakai powder and neem leaf powder. I am using the homemade neem leaf powder. You can also use the store-bought one, but try to prefer the homemade one. That is much better. Homemade one is free from chemicals, so try to use that. And also you will need 1 cup of black tea without sugar. Now add to it 5 tablespoons of Shikakai powder in this clean container. And also add to it 5 tablespoons of neem leaf powder. Now add to it some tea liquor like so. Now start mixing it really well. You have to make a smooth paste out of it like so. Mix it really well so that it has no lumps in it. Mix it up really well so that it doesn't contain any lump. So the Shikakai paste is ready, guys. It's a nice smooth paste, and after you mix up all these things, you have to keep it for about overnight, and then next morning you have to apply it. So how you have to use it, you have to apply it from the roots to tips of your hair and keep it for about 2 to 3 hours, and then rinse it off with a mild shampoo. So it contains Shikakai, guys. Shikakai helps our hair grow longer and very fast. And it also contains neem leaf powder. And we all know that neem leaves have anti-dandruff and antifungal properties. And that means neem leaves help us to get rid of dandruff problem from our scalp. And it also contains tea liquor, and tea liquor helps to get rid of all the hair fall problem and all the itchiness and everything. So all in one, it's a miraculous hair pack, and after you use this paste, guys, you will see a very noticeable difference. Your hair will be so voluminous and so fluffy that you will really love it, guys. And you don't even have to use any conditioner or any serum like thing after you apply the shampoo. And all in one, it's a really beneficial for our hair. I repeat, it's really very beneficial for our hair, guys. So make sure you apply this like a hair pack in your home. So this was a home remedy which I wanted to share with you all, and I'm pretty sure you'll also be trying out in your home itself. And if you try out, let me know in the comment section below your experience, your feedback. I always love to read your comments. In fact, it means a lot to me. And yeah, with this I end my video. As usual, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you are a returning subscriber, don't forget to hit the bell icon, because without that you'll not be receiving any future updates of mine. So make sure to click the bell icon. And yeah, you can also follow me in all my social media networks. All the link I have given in the description box below. And yeah, all the self promotion done. And with this I end my video. This is Joyeeta signing off now. Bye bye.